Here we go, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Let's jump right in, taking a look at gold right now. Great potential breakout day. We'll see. Big green bullish engulfing candle. Taking out the previous candles, just to the left of it. That's always a good sign. That's always bullish, okay? However, we do have our work cut out for us, okay? We have the, the 50 and the 100 simple moving average. And then right here at this green dash line, that's a measure move our Patreon members know how to put on a chart. And it has, very high odds, very high probability of success when price is coming up into it as resistance, or if you're flipped over on it, coming down for support. So quite a bit of resistance for gold right here. Not going to, kid you, but we are getting a very nice candle today. And we'll just see if we can, follow through Thursday and Friday, maybe, end the week on a positive note, but just also, don't want to get FOMO or anything here. Want to be very realistic with you. Tough resistance at the red dash line because of this consolidation here for really 4 days that we couldn't get over. Then we have the 100 simple day moving average. And on top of that, the 50 along with that measured move. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 very strong ceilings, very strong resistance zones above us. But on the positive side, as close as they are, gold could close, where it is today, right now. We still have about almost just under 5 hours actually to go. And then, maybe trade sideways a day or two, and then next week, if it simply put in another green bar this size, like this or this, next week we could clear that, okay? And almost be in blue skies, not quite, but almost. All right, silver, kind of the same deal. Great candle today. Taking out this little resistance here, that high pivot, and silver is actually over its 20 positive. That's positive and bullish. The 50, the green line here, 50 simple day moving out, very tough to get over. Once you're under it, it's like, oh my gosh, come on. But obviously price action, if it's there strong, it can make it happen. And then the 100. And then on top of that, you had this, all that support here, even through here, until we got under it. Then it became resistance, okay? So it too has its his work cut out for it, okay? But starting off great, starting off awesome, all right? And part of that has to do with, I'm not going to bore you with the dollar, but part of that has to do with the dollar. It was really ripping to the downside earlier, okay? This is the futures, market basically, but yeah, it was ripping down, solid red candle here, obviously. Now, they've come in, the Fed, somebody coming in there, helping the dollar boost it up, buying all that up, putting us back up and over this support zone. Over here, it was resistance for a long time. Then we finally got over it, retested all through here, held, retested all through here. So far has held, but there's a lot of, I'm not going to get into it, but a lot of resistance up here, as you can see. But if we get basically, if we get a roll over here and start trading and then closing red candles under this support, then it becomes resistance. And yeah, gold and silver should be doing better then, have a better fighting chance to move up, and all's good in the world. All right, guys, hang in there, and appreciate you watching, and check out our Patreon members group below, and we will see you on the charts.